My name is Julie Thomas, and I am an archivist at California State University, Sacramento. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about finding aids, which are descriptive tools created by archivists for the discovery of specific records in an archival collection. A finding aid is exactly what it says it is. It is an aid to find information. Archivists do not just throw archival boxes on shelves and expect researchers to go through them to locate their desired research material. It is the job of the archivist to arrange the collection in a coherent manner and create finding aids that mirror that arrangement, allowing for quick discovery and retrieval of relevant information. They are surrogate descriptions of the physical arrangement of the records. Finding aids also provide technical, administrative, and general descriptive information about collections. Let's take a look at a typical finding aid. The finding aid I'm going to review is for Joe Serna Jr. He was a professor of government at Sacramento State University, and he was the mayor of Sacramento as well. When I link to the finding aid, the first thing I see is basic information about the collection, such as the repository where the collection is held, its title, the date span of the records, and the size and number of boxes in that collection. There is usually also a biographical or historical note about the creator of the collection. If included, a useful element of a finding aid is the scope and contents note. Archivists arrange records in a logical manner. We put like material together and call them series. Series are comparable to chapters in a book, and the scope and contents note is like a table of contents. Here we see the Serna collection has 18 series. Series 1 contains biographical information. Series 2 has information relating to Cesar Chavez and the United Farm Workers. Series 3 is comprised of records from his time as a professor at Sacramento State University, and the remaining series contains information from his time as mayor. In the restrictions and access note, you will hopefully see a sentence like this: collection is open for research. But, for example, if a collection contains confidential or sensitive information, the limitations to access will be noted here. And there can also be some technical and administrative information, but is usually not of interest to most researchers. It is this last section that is the true meat of a finding aid. It lists the title of every folder, in every box, in every series. Here in Joe Serna's collections, we see that Series 1 has biographical material, and in Box 1, Folder 1 is information relating to Joe's Agriculture and Labor Relations Board nomination in 1998. In Box 1, Folder 2, you will find his Army papers from 1966. As I said earlier, the box and folder listing is a surrogate for the physical collection. So if you want to see Joe's Army papers, you will need to go to Box 1 and physically retrieve the second folder, and you will see that it is titled Army Papers 1966. So let's recap the topics covered in this tutorial. Which of the following is an example of archival finding aids? A. Maps and atlases. B. Documents containing information about a collection of records. C. Reference material, such as dictionaries and encyclopedias. Or D. Circulars from stores that highlight sales items. The correct answer is B. Documents containing information about a collection of records. Which of the following applies to archival series? A. It is the physical arrangement of similar material in an archival collection. B. It is information found in the scope and contents note in a finding aid. C. They are comparable to chapters in a book. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above.